I'm in Stonyford with my smart and pretty daughter, and she is gonna make something. I don't have to teach her. I could just eat my lunch because she already knows how to weld, and I just get to watch and have fun.
I love this saw. That's so great.
What are you doing here now?
Right now, I am cutting out the reveal right here so that it sits nicely on the curve when we go to weld it. Now I'm brushing on the clear coat mixed with Pearl X pigment. Makes it all sparkly and shiny. We're all finished with the clear coat. I put a little bit of blue on the bottom feet, but I really love the gold color and the sparkle that's coming out on the top here. It's gonna go perfect at the house next to our beautiful grill.